Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about another question from JEE Mains 24th January 2025 session. So this is a general question from geometry part. Let us now solve this question. So here, let the points like this lie on or inside the triangle with sides with these three equations. Then the product of the smallest and largest values of alpha is equal to. So we first need to draw the triangle which has the sides as these equations. So let me first write down the equations, which is x plus y equals to 11, and there is x plus 2y equals to 16, x plus 2y equals to 16, and another one is 2x plus 3y equals to 29. So 2x plus 3y equals to 29. I'm naming it as L1, L2 and L3. So first let me draw these three equations. So suppose this is the coordinate axis. First equation is x plus y equals to 11. So x intercept is 11 and y intercept is 11. So somewhere here, suppose this is 11 and this is 11 here. So let me draw this. Yeah, like this. Another one is x plus 2y equals to 16. So in this case, x intercept is 16 and y intercept is 8. So suppose this is 11, so let this be 8 and this one is 11, so let this be 16. So it will be like this. So this is the L1, this is L2, and for this one, so this one is L1, this one is L2, and for L3, 2x plus 3y equals to 29. So x intercept will be 29 by 2, which is somewhere near 14. This will be 14 by 5, 14.5, and this one will have y intercept 29 by 3. So that will be around 9 point something, as 27 by 3 will be 9. So 29 by 3 will be 9 point something. So this one is 8, this one is 11. So let me just put it here and here. Suppose this one is what was it? It was 14. So somewhere here. So let me draw the this is bad. Let me draw this again. So something like this. So my lines are not that much straight. So this one is L3. So this one is L3. So actually the triangle which the question is referring to is this one, this triangular shape, this one. And here this one. So this is the triangle. This one is the triangle. So what we have here, we have points like 11 by 2 comma alpha. We need to find out the values of alpha where these lines lie on or inside the triangle. Now let me first see what this point is. So this point, this is the intersection of the lines, this line L1 and this line L2. So intersection of, let me name it as A, this one as B, this one as C. So the points 11 by 2 comma alpha, this means its x coordinate is fixed, which will be somewhere 11 by, this one is, let me again, this will be, what was it, L1, this is the 11, this one is 14.5 and this one is 16. So this is 11. So 11 by 2 means somewhere here. This will be 11 by 2. But we do not know whether it will be before A or after A. So we first need to find out the coordinate of A. So coordinate of A will be A is the intersection of lines L1 and L2. So L1 and L2 gives A. So if we solve these two equations, it will give, so x plus y equals to 11, and there was x plus 2y equals to 16. So if we subtract, we are getting 5. So x is 5, y is 5, so x will be 11 minus 5, which is 6. So this is 6, so the 11 by 2 point will be before it. So this point, it has x coordinate fixed but y coordinate is varying, so it will be a straight line which is x equals to 11 by 2. So if we draw the straight line like this, this is actually x equals to 11 by 2. So we need to find out this point here, this point here, and this point here. Let me again put it in a more prominent color. This point here and this point here. Now this x equals to 11 by 2 is intersecting L1 line at this point, and this straight line is intersecting L3 at this point. So suppose, let me name those 2 points as say P and Q. So P is the intersection of x equals to 11 by 2 and L1. So P, L1 and x equals to 11 by 2. For Q, what we have? For Q, we have the intersection of x equals to 11 by 2 with L3. So L3 and x equals to 11 by 2. So let me just solve this. So L1 has the equation 11 x plus y equals to 11. So x plus y equals to 11. If we put x equals to 11 by 2, we will get y equals to 11 by 2. For this one, L3 has the equation 2x plus 3y equals to 19. So 2x plus 3y equals to 19. So if we put x equals to 2x equals to 11, from here 2x equals to 11, I am just multiplying 2 with x, so it will give 2x equals to 11. So it will give 3y equals to, this was 29, so it will give 18, which means y equals to 6. So this one is the maximum value of that alpha, and this one is the minimum value of alpha. So this is alpha min and this is alpha max. So the question was asking that find the product of those minimum and maximum values. So it will give alpha mean into alpha max, which is 6 into 11 by 2, 6 and 2 will get cancelled out and we have 33. This one is the answer. So let us now check the options. So yeah, one of the options is 33. So this one, this option 3 is the correct answer to this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more videos on this JEE Mains questions and also boards exam, please follow my channel and share this video with others.